To find out, let's travel to New Zealand, the third largest wool-producing country in the world. It is crucial that this area, including the ears and eyes, is well cleared to avoid what is called wool blindness,
which occurs when strands partially cover the sheep's vision. After finishing one sheep,
finally, the clean wool is rolled and packed into large bales, ready for transport. Before water touches the fiber, gravity and mechanical agitation are used to remove the heaviest contaminants.
Then, it is covered and moved to the warehouse.
Heads up, truck's pulling into Bay 3.
All right, I'll clear the aisle now.
Make sure this lot is 55th on the micron count.
All right, blending it now.
We need another bale of the fine grade over here.
The physical mixture of fibers creates optical depth in the final yarn, a technique used for high-end knitwear.
Covered with metal bristles that comb and align the fibers.
Weaving. In the weaving phase, the threads are arranged in two directions.
The warp, which forms the base and is usually composed of about 2,500 threads, and the weft.
Design is born from the arrangement of the threads. Simple changes in the color of the warp create the classic patterns associated with wool.
To leave space for the weft, which interlaces in a precise movement.
Small flaws are not grounds for rejection, but for correction. The worker uses specialized...
It isn't added on, but rather is a part of the warp that is deliberately left exposed and twisted.
The chemical softening agents replace the harshness of the raw fiber, ensuring the blanket feels soft against the skin despite its density. Modern wool is engineered for convenience. Chemical treatments are applied to prevent the consumer's worst nightmare, shrinking it in the wash at home.
For solid colors, it is more efficient to dye the woven fabric piece.
The versatility of wool allows it to adapt to fashion trends quickly. Colors are adjusted seasonally to meet market demand. The fabric moves to a stage called scalping. This process, similar to carding.
Physics creates warmth. By fluffing the fabric, the machine creates dead airspace which traps body heat, making the blanket warmer without adding weight.
The hem is more than decoration. It prevents the woven structure from unraveling, ensuring the blanket lasts for years.
In this stage, labels are also attached, and a final quality inspection is carried out.
To those who use it. And that's how wool is produced in industrial quantities.